In this video, we will talk about how to find corresponding angles and sides. The first thing we want to know is how these two triangles correspond to one another. Triangle ABC is similar or corresponding to triangle DEF. To find corresponding angles, we want to find matching angles. So angle A is going to be corresponding with angle D. If you notice, angle A and angle D both have a single arc in their angles, and that means they match. If I wanted to find the next one, angle B, notice that angle B corresponds with angle E. The reason that angle B corresponds with angle E is because angle B and E both have two arcs in their angles. And obviously the last example, angle C corresponds with angle F. And you can see that angle C has three arcs in its angle measurement, and angle F does as well. Let's go ahead and talk about corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are sides that match with one another. First, let's look at side AB. AB is going from the single angle to the double arc angle. So that's the same thing we would want to see over here in our smaller one. Notice that angle D corresponds with angle A, and angle E corresponds with angle B. So we know that side AB corresponds with side DE. Remember, you could also rewrite DE and say that it's side ED. That would technically represent the same thing. The next side we'll look at is side BC. BC is the longest side in the first triangle, so that means we're going to be looking for the longest side in the second triangle. Notice that from angle B to angle C, we're going from the two arcs to the three arcs. So that would be from angle E to angle F. So that would be side EF. Again, you can rewrite it as FE, and it would still represent the same thing. The last corresponding side we will look at is from C to A. C to A is the second longest angle or second longest side, and it goes from three arcs to one arc. So that's exactly what we're looking for. That would be side F to D. So side CA corresponds with FD, or if you wanted to rewrite it and say DF, that would work as well.